Looking for a tow vehicle? Take a look at this one. 2001 Dodge 2500 Club Cab. This is a Cummins diesel, 4x4 of course, SLT Laramie package. Now that Cummins diesel is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission in this one. This truck was with the original owner for approximately 19 years. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the undersides of this, there's probably close to 100 pictures of this online. And that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. Don't be afraid to give us a call, too. 507-386-1726. When we get these pullers in, they don't seem to last too long. You can see the condition of the paint, too. Very nice for the miles and age of this. Would lead me to believe previous owner may have done a repaint to it to keep this truck in the shape that it is in. Now you can take a look above the wheel wells, front to rear, and again you can see the reflection in that paint. And then take a look at how straight it is up and down it, but it doesn't seem to be bubbling, a bunch of rock chips, anything like that. I believe miles read about approximately 130,000 it was. We'll take a look at that when I start it up. We'll check out the interior. Sorry about that glare, but with the black paint it really pops the light off of there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, equipment, you would have your power windows, power locks, of course, power steering, power brakes, AM/FM cassette, AC. I did notice I clicked on the AC and the compressor clutch did not kick on and off. May need to be recharged, but everything is there and hooked up. In the back, you can see we have a spray-in bed liner and bed mat, and it is an over-the-rail spray-on too, if you notice that, so you're not going to get your dings and nicks on the top of your bed rails. There's a trailer brake in this setup also. Of course, your receiver hitch back here. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can see the interior, the undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. This car does have a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Originally was a black truck, but like I said, may have redone the paint just because this truck was in such a nice shape. I don't see any noticeable paint lines, anything like that. I'm just kind of going off the condition of the paint. Again, look at the luster of that. See the reflection of the showroom behind me. Now, of course, these would have 4 doors. Interior, cloth interior. Of course, there's your power windows, power locks. Go ahead and pop this back open for you also. Now this rear seat will also fold up for storage. Only wear spot I really seen in the seat is this right here. Other than that, fabric and everything in nice shape. Center armrest will fold up for another seating area there. So you have a split bench. 40-20-40 setup. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. AM/FM cassette, radio does work, wipers worked. Did not see any sort of warning indicators, any sort of lights on. There's your miles, if you can see that, 134,553 it reads. Alright, there you go. Again, do not see any warning lights, anything like that on. Gauges appear to all work. Dash. Not cracked or sun-baked or anything like that. Headliner. Also in good shape. Slip around to the back here for you. Not smoking anything like that. I'll slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood with the diesel. A little more noise that they make. I'll just show you the engine bay. Kind of keep quiet because you're not going to be able to hear me really anyway. So, but I do want to let you see it run and hear it run. So hold on a second. Let's get.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
See, nice and clean like the rest of the truck. So again, if you're in the market for a tow vehicle, take a good look at this one. 2001 Dodge 2500 Club Cab. Cummins diesel 4x4 SLT Laramie package. A little over 130,000 miles. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.